Okay, here we have another practice question for the STAR test, and the table shows us the complete times of 4 runners in a race, and it asks which list shows the runners' times from fastest to slowest. So once again, let's just get all of the numbers in a format where we can easily compare them. We have 2 that are already in decimal format, so we could leave those alone. So let's look at Joe. He ran in 12.5 seconds. Well, we know that the decimal form of the fraction 1/2 is 0.5. So this one would be 12.5. But what if you didn't know that? Or what if you just completely go blank when you're taking the test? Well, all you need to do is take 1 divided by 2, and you'll get your 0.5. So if you draw a blank or you can't remember something that you think you're supposed to remember, just use your Desmos calculator and do it on there, just to double check yourself, even if you want to. But if you're confident and you know that 1/2 is 0.5, because it is, you could just write 12.5. So what about 2/5? Well, if you don't know what that is off the top of your head, just say 2 divided by 5, and that's 0.4. So this person would be 12.4. So we're going from fastest to slowest. So the fastest, and you always want to make sure you pay attention to the wording of the question. So the fastest, they're all in the 12-second range. So then we just order our numbers after the decimal. So the fastest is going to be Ellen, who ran it in 12.09. And then Steve ran it in 12.4. And then Joe ran it in 12.5, and Patty ran it in 12.8. So I should have numbered those. But fastest, and then the next, second place, third place, and fourth place. So remember, you're running a race. So we're looking for the lowest number because we're looking for the fastest person. So when you're running a race, you want the lower number. So we'll go Ellen, Steve, Joe, and Patty. Can we find that? Ellen, Steve, Joe, Patty is choice C. And that is the correct answer. So we did our question right. Okay? So that's how you do that one. Get them all into a number that's easy to compare to each other, and then make sure you check your wording, make sure you check the situation. They're running, so we want the lowest number to come first because that means they were faster. So think through it and use your calculator and you'll be just fine. Okay, good job.